Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to Islamic Bloom with WardaRafiq, your space for inspiration and knowledge. Today, we'll explore an important question. After the Qur'an, which books are most beneficial for understanding Islam better? Whether you're new to Islam or have been on this journey for years, finding the right resources is key to deepening your understanding. Today, we're going to answer that question with some invaluable recommendations from the renowned Islamic scholar, Dr. Zakir Naik. In his insightful Q&A sessions, Dr. Naik shares which books can serve as the perfect companions to the Quran, helping us to better understand the faith, its teachings, and its implementation in our daily lives. While the Quran is, of course, the ultimate guide for us as Muslims, it is important to recognize that there are other key texts that offer practical insights and explanations of its verses. Dr. Zakir Naik emphasizes that these books provide clarity and context to the Quran, allowing us to apply its teachings more effectively in our personal lives. Let's explore some of the most recommended books that will enrich your understanding of Islam. Riyad as-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous by Imam Nawawi. This incredible book is a collection of authentic hadith that serve as a moral and spiritual guide, offering practical advice on how to live righteously according to Islamic principles. Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. These two collections of hadith are considered the most authentic sources of the sayings and actions of Prophet Muhammad. Reading them will give you a deeper understanding of the Sunnah and how it complements the Quran. The Sealed Nectar WardaRafiq al-Maktum by Safi Rahman al-Mubarakpuri. This beautifully written biography of the Prophet Muhammad not only sheds light on his life but also helps us to understand his struggles and triumphs in spreading Islam. Fiqh Sunnah by Sayyid Sabiq. This book offers a clear explanation of Islamic jurisprudence, breaking down the practical rulings on everything from daily worship to family life and beyond. It's a great resource for anyone looking to understand the application of Islamic law. Dr. Zakir Naik recommends that starting with these books is an excellent way to get a well. Dear brothers and sisters, knowledge is one of the greatest gifts we can give ourselves. As we seek to strengthen our connection with Allah, let us turn to these valuable resources to guide us on our journey of learning and spiritual growth. Which of these books will you start with? Or do you have a favorite Islamic book that has helped you understand the faith better? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Islamic Bloom with WardaRafiq for more inspiring content. May Allah bless you with wisdom and understanding. Keep blooming in faith. Assalamu Alaikum.